This is YFM-302NCA, the auto sewing machine by computer control. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, you need to put the sewing thread on the machine frame. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the number here. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to put the upper thread. The upper thread, the thread is 30 divided by 3. Okay, so it's 30 divided by 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6 is bottom thread. The bottom thread is 50 divided by 2. Okay, so you need to put the correct sewing thread on the machine. So it's bottom thread, a top thread, top thread, top thread, top thread, bottom thread, bottom thread. Okay, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to put the sewing thread into the machine. We are going to teach you how to put. And here also you need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to this direction. Okay? So now we are going to put the thread. We are going to put the first thread now. First thread. First thread, please touch and get into the first hole. So the first thread comes here, and you need to make it like this, okay, and put into this picture. Do like this. Okay, and pass this picture here and here and here. And pass here. And please put the first thread to the left side first needle. Okay, like this. You get through the left side first needle for the first thread. So the first thread is going like this. Goes down, goes up, and gets through here and come. Okay, now we are going to put the second one. So you need to put the second thread into the from left side the second needle, like this. Okay? And now we are going to put the third one. Please put the third thread into the third needle, like this. Okay, and fourth one. And please put the fourth thread into the fourth needle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Get through from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And into here. And into 4 needles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are upper thread. Now we are going to put the bottom thread. Okay, bottom thread, get through from here. When you put the 5 thread, no need to do like this, okay? Directly go. This one, please touch, and this picture will goes up, okay? And you need to get through here and here. And please turn this one to make the straight needle goes down in order to put this one. Okay, so you need to release this screw, take it down and make the straight get through the inside needle, and inside has a hole. You need to do like this. Okay, and now we are going to make the 6th thread. Okay, so after putting the tray into the fixture, please push and touch this and lock the wheel, lock the screw. Okay, after that, please touch this fixture like this to make down. So the 5 tray and 6 trays are down straight. Okay, lower straight. The lower straight is goes through like this and get into the fixture like this. Okay, after that we are going to put the tape into the machine. This is the tape. This is the tape. And tape has pattern. Normally there is the V pattern. This V pattern, outside is the edge, has already enclosed. Enclosed edge is outside. The middle is like this. It's a V pattern. V. Okay. So you put your V pattern into this picture. So you need to cut and pull this screw. You can make the tape get through. And another side, you need to cut the tape like this. And the V pattern is another side. V pattern gets through the fixture. Okay, so please use your finger to make the needle goes up, and you can put the tape into the guiding bowl. And another side. It's in the guiding bowl. And here is a fixture to press the transmission wheel. And please use your finger, use your hand to make the tray goes down and up and down like this. Up and down. And please, after put everything on the machine, before putting the feeder coat, you need to switch on the power here. Switch on the power. You need to switch on the power. Switch on the power and you can get into the screen. Okay, and you can set up the union. You want the millimeters or yard. Okay, now we choose millimeters and you can go back. The request less is the millimeters. Okay, and you can set up the high speed. Normally the standard speed is 2000 RPM. You can set up maximum is 2800. Okay, this is slow speed. Normally we set up for the 1000. And here you can set up how many meters you want to produce. For example, 100 meters, press enter and you can reset the production quantity, and this machine can be set it. And when you put the tape into the machine, here is a slow button. The slow button is the same as here, the slow train. Okay, so you can press the slow button to make some sewing. When you see the sewing is smooth, and you can put the teeth, the direction like this. Okay, the bottom stop is on the top, so looking like this. So it's like this. The teeth direction is like this, and please put the teeth through here and get from the hole, and please put into the guiding bolt, the straight, the direction like this, okay? The teeth direction like this. Once you put the teeth into the guiding bolt, you can press the slow and make it sewing a bit. Okay? Once it's okay, and you can make everything, make the sewing straight. Now the sewing thread is a bit broken, so you have to put the thread and close again, and please lock. Okay, and use your hand to make it working. So for the slow speed, you must make sure the sewing is smooth, and then sewing a bit like this. Once it's okay, if there is any thread has broken, you can check the thread. So you need to reset the problem and press. Make everything become smooth, and you can press the start, and the machine will be auto running. And you can see the screen now is running and it's counting how many meters. Okay, and you must make the frame, the sewing thread frame, running like this very smoothly. For the inside of this picture, you can see the line inside. There's two lines. One line is on the top, one line is on the down. Every 15 days, every 15 days, you need to put oil from here. Okay? So you must make sure the inside, the oil is between the first and second lines. Okay, this is a very important thing. Okay, we finish the sewing. You can press the stop here. The machine will be stopped, and I'm going to teach you how to use the setting. Here is the time setting, local time setting. You can press the time. Okay, and here is the total quantity which you have already produced. You can reset from here. And if you change the pin, you can reset from here. And inside has a password. The password is A008. You can press enter. And inside is the lower level password, higher level password, and here is the pitch. The pitch, normally this one don't change. This is very important for the pitch setting, but normally this one no need to change. Okay, and here is the counter for all. And you can go back to the low level. This is also the T-speech. Okay, and you can go back to the main screen. And normally, if your zipper is number 5, this ruler is using for the direct to the number 5. Okay, if it's number 6, number 7, number 8, you need to do like this. But this machine is for number 5, so you put the line is on the number 5. If the machine before has any problem working, you can see here is the problem time, and you can see the direction. I mean the location of the problem. Okay, so a bone vessel is teaching you how to operate this machine. So we finished the machinery testing.